Santosh, once again, it's interesting. Going back to the Apex IT, so there will be another Apex IT system. How can I find a legal employer as Apex got EIN number with all approvals from the government? True, they could just float a company in Nevada and still get an EIN number. And how do we check the whether if the company is fake or not? And please don't say it is from Google or LinkedIn, because in both things we can simply, it's the comment is cut off on the screen, John. I'm going to read it for you. It's interesting comment. I don't want to say LinkedIn or Google it, because in both ways we can simply create accounts and all add all the details. Is there any way to find the company or the employers are genuine? As see there are on LinkedIn, so many members are going back to the same fake experience. Please, Dan, talk about this. Sure, we will try.
Yeah. So, in a grand display of how ineffective DHS is, they created the E-Verify system. It was supposed to be a resource for students to go in and DSOs to go in and say, okay, this is a legit company. They passed DHS's test. DHS has certified them as legit. I can work for them. All of these companies that we're talking about, these scam companies, they're still in E-Verify showing up as valid legal employers in the US. And DHS has the ability and the authority to publish the list of all the companies they think are blacklisted. And that would help the student population immensely by avoiding scams. But they don't. And they let people stumble into the traps that are already there. In terms of what to do with the next scam company that pops up, I would say if any company that's asking you for money for training, stay away from, because that is going to bite you in the end. Any company that's asking for money for an offer letter, run away. Don't mess with them. Don't waste your time. And really, as a general rule, anybody asking for you to pay them money to work for them is not somebody that you're going to be wanting to deal with.
Okay, to add to that, John, this is very interesting. Yesterday, someone sent me a few messages about, well, definitely, I really want your inputs on this. There was a company operating, seemed to be operating from some European country, sends an offer letter, and the offer letter states, we are going to pay for your equipment to the vendor, and you'll get paid $75 an hour, and $7,000 is going to be spent on your name to get the laptops, Apple laptops, and so on and so forth. This money will be deposited into your account. Looks like they will deposit a fake check, international check, and takes 15 days or 3 weeks for the bank to process, and then they will request you to pay the vendor of that $7,000, and you're done. So, have you seen anything like this within your? Because I'm sure you've been getting a lot of complaints and a lot of emails and a lot of networking. Is there anything you have anything to say on these type of whimsical acts by the scammers?
So I haven't heard of that particular scam. Usually the things that I hear about have resulted in an adverse action by USCIS or one of the immigration agencies against the person. In that situation, that's really a civil issue between two different private parties. And so it typically doesn't raise to my level. But the foreign check scam is one that I think everybody's got an email from a Nigerian prince. They say they're going to deposit a whole bunch of money in your account, and then you give them your bank account information, and boom, your bank account is empty. And so I just, myself personally, I'm too risk adverse. I wouldn't be giving my bank account information to somebody that I did not know and trust implicitly.
Okay.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for U.S. citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.